Now that we're all done with the mechanical part, or at least close to being done, we can start to move on with the body work. So I'll be starting with the bed. We can pull it inside and pull the bed out of this truck. Well, now that I'm done with welding all these tiny spots, it's time to cover this huge hole. I can use this bumper right here and I can cut out a little round piece. I think it will match the thickness pretty well. I could probably use the old door on that truck, but I don't want to make holes in it yet. So after some hammering, we got this. Well, it's not perfect, but definitely will do its job.